When it comes to audio in ATX, it's equipped with premium audio from Wetsounds, one of the industry leaders in marine audio. You can choose between 5 different audio packages in this boat, all the way from the bass audio on up to the Power 10 Plus. This boat is equipped with the Power 10 option. It gives you 2 10-inch tower speakers with horn drivers, 6 in-boat interior speakers, and a 12-inch sub. As you can see, these tower speakers are actually custom colored to match the boat.